Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today we'll see standard 6 and subject social science. In that chapter number 14, chapter name is Unity in Diversity. In the previous video we have seen part 1. In that we have seen up to main 3. Today we'll see part 2, main 4. Match the pairs correctly. Write the correct number of section B in the answer section. Number 1. First of all, we will see section A. In that language is given. Number 1 Punjabi, Odia. Number 3 Gujarati, and number 4 Tamil. Section B, it's the states. Number 1 Tamil Nadu, number 2 Gujarat, number 3 Karnataka, Odisha and Punjab. Now see the first one, Punjabi, match with the fifth one, Punjab. Then Odia, match with the number 4 Odisha. Number 3 Gujarati, match with the Gujarat. Number 4 Tamil, Tamil match with the Tamil Nadu. Now see the second one, section A. In that religions are given. Number 1 Islam, Sikhism, Zoroastrianism and number 4 Hinduism. Section B, people are given. Number 1 Parsi, number 2 Hindu, number 3 Muslim, Jain and Punjabi means Sikh. Now first one Islam, match with the Muslim. Number 2 Sikhism, match with the Punjabi, Sikh. Number 3 Zoroastrianism, match with the Parsi. Number 4 Hinduism, match with the number 2 Hindu. Now see the third one. In that festivals are given. Number 1 Ganesh Chaturthi, number 2 Ashadhi Duj, number 3 Onam and number 4 Baisakhi. Section B, states are given. Number 1 West Bengal, number 2 Maharashtra, third Punjab, fourth one Odisha and fifth one Kerala. Now see the first one Ganesh Chaturthi, match with the fourth one Odisha. Number 1 Ganesh Chaturthi, match with the 2 Maharashtra. Number 2 Ashadhi Duj, match with the number 4 Odisha. Number 3 Onam, match with the Kerala. Number 4 Baisakhi, match with the third one Punjab. Now see the main 5. Answer the following questions in 1 or 2 sentences. Question number 1. Which languages are spoken in our country? Answer is languages like Hindi, English, Gujarati, Bengali, Marathi, Punjabi, Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam, Odia, Konkani, etc. are spoken in our country. Now see the question number 2. Which religions do people follow in our country? Answer is the people of our country follow religions like Hinduism, Islam, Christianity, Sikhism, Jainism, Buddhism, Zoroastrianism and Judaism, etc. Now see the next page. See the question number 3. What is the unique feature of Indian culture? Answer is the unique feature of Indian culture is unity in diversity. Number 4. What has Dr. Radhakrishnan said about national unity? Answer is Dr. Radhakrishnan has said about national unity that if we want to survive as a nation, we must accept the need of national unity. Now see the number 5. How did our countrymen show national unity during freedom movement? Answer is during freedom movement, the countrymen showed national unity through the feeling of patriotism and sacrifice. See the question number 6. Why has India been able to create a unique culture? Answer is since Indians are united though there are many diversities, our country has been able to create a unique culture. See the question number 7. Which principle has India followed in the world? Answer is India has followed the principle of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. The whole world is a family in the world. See the question number 8. What does India spread in the matter of religion in the world? Answer is India spreads the feeling of religious tolerance and equality in the world. Question number 9. With what spirit do the people of India live their lives? Answer is the people of India live their lives with a spirit of coexistence. Now see the question number 10. Which discriminations are seen in our country? Answer is the discriminations between rich poor, male female, literate illiterate, urban rural, and caste discriminations etc. are seen in our country. Question number 11. How has untouchability been eradicated from India? Answer is the Constitution of Independent India has given the right to equality to all citizens. As a result, untouchability has been eradicated from India. See the question number 12. Because of what has discrimination decreased quickly in the years after independence? Answer is discrimination has decreased quickly in the years after independence because of getting freedom by which people can follow their own religion, speak their own language, and celebrate their own festival. See the question number 13. Of which socially evil customs have women become victims in India? Why? Answer is women have become victims of child marriage, parda system, dowry system, and other socially evil customs because of the low literacy rate among women in India. See the question number 14. Why do the women become the victims of female feticides? Answer is in Indian society, birth of a boy is a given preference, so the women become the victims of female feticides. Now we will see the main 6 in the next video, part 3. Stay safe, stay healthy. Okay, bye.